Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all WGU practice questions. HRM 3110 Employment and Labor Law Practice Questions with Answers.
Question 1. Which of the following laws primarily governs collective bargaining and union rights in the private sector? A. Civil Rights Act of 1964. B. Fair Labor Standards Act. C. National Labor Relations Act. D. Employee Retirement Income Security Act. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. National Labor Relations Act. Explanation. This law supports private sector employees' rights to unionize, bargain collectively, and engage in concerted activities. Question 2. Under the Fair Labor Standards Act, which of the following is not a protected provision? A. Minimum wage. B. Equal pay for equal work. C. Overtime pay. D. Child labor regulations. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Equal pay for equal work. Explanation. This law sets standards for wages, overtime, and youth employment, but does not specifically address pay equity, which is covered under a different act. Question 3. The Family and Medical Leave Act provides eligible employees with how many weeks of unpaid leave in a 12-month period? A. 6 weeks. B. 12 weeks. C. 10 weeks. D. 8 weeks. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. 12 weeks. Explanation. This law grants eligible employees unpaid, job-protected leave for certain family and medical reasons within a 12-month period. Question 4. Which of the following actions would be considered an unfair labor practice under the NLRA? A. An employee refusing to join a union. B. An employer firing an employee for discussing wages. C. A union encouraging workers to go on strike. D. An employer offering paid. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. An employer firing an employee for discussing wages. Explanation. Under labor law, employees have the right to discuss wages and working conditions without retaliation from their employer. Question 5. What does employment at will generally mean? A. Employees must be hired on a contract basis. B. Employers must have cause to terminate employment. C. Employers or employees can terminate the relationship at any time. D. Employees are entitled to permanent job security. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Employers or employees can terminate the relationship at any time. Explanation. This doctrine means either party can end the employment relationship at any time for any lawful reason or no reason at all. Question 6. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act prohibits employment discrimination based on all of the following except A. Religion. B. Race. C. Marital status. D. National origin. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Marital status. Explanation. This law prohibits employment discrimination based on protected categories, but marital status is not one of them under the federal version. Question 7. Which federal agency enforces anti-discrimination laws in the workplace? A. Department of Labor. B. National Labor Relations Board. C. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. D. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Explanation. This agency enforces federal laws that make it illegal to discriminate against a job applicant or employee. Question 8. Which of the following is a key provision of the Occupational Safety and Health Act? A. Establishment of minimum wage. B. Right to a safe and healthy workplace. C. Guarantee of equal pay. D. Regulation of retirement benefits. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Right to a safe and healthy workplace. Explanation. This law ensures that employers provide workplaces free of recognized health and safety hazards. Question 9. A bona fide occupational qualification allows employers to A. Discriminate based on race. B. Require union membership. C. Hire based on religion, gender, or age in limited situations. D. Set wages without legal restrictions. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Hire based on religion, gender, or age in limited situations. Explanation. This exception permits certain otherwise discriminatory practices if they are reasonably necessary to the operation of the business. Question 10. Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, employers must A. Terminate employees with disabilities if productivity declines. B. Provide any accommodation requested by an employee. C. Provide reasonable accommodations unless it causes undue hardship. D. Avoid hiring individuals with disabilities. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Provide reasonable accommodations unless it causes undue hardship. Explanation. Employers must accommodate employees with disabilities unless doing so would be significantly difficult or expensive.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.